First, we import the image component from Next.js, which is a powerful tool for optimizing and serving images in a modern web application. Here we're declaring a functional React component named Responsive Optimized Image. This component will render our optimized image. We return a JSX block that starts with a div element. This div will act as a container for our responsive image. Within the div, we introduce the image component. It's a built-in component provided by Next.js that optimizes image loading. The src attribute is used to specify the path to the default image, which will be used as a fallback and in cases where src set is not supported. The sizes attribute defines a conditional list of image sizes indicating how much viewport space the image is expected to take up. It's followed by several conditions and width descriptors that the browser uses to determine which image to download from the src set. The src set attribute includes a template string definition of multiple image paths, each associated with a specific width descriptor. These descriptors let the browser know the width of each variant, so it can select the most suitable one based on the current screen size and pixel density. The width attribute declares the intrinsic width of the largest image. It ensures that the browser can allocate space for the image before it's fully loaded to prevent layout shifts. Similarly, the height attribute gives the intrinsic height of the highest resolution image. Together with width, it maintains the aspect ratio as the image scales responsively. The alt attribute is crucial for accessibility. It provides a text description of the image for screen readers and in situations where the image cannot be displayed. The layout attribute is set to responsive, which makes sure that the image scales effectively with the viewport. This is essential for maintaining a good user experience across all device sizes. We close our image tag and the div container, then end our component definition. Finally, we export the responsive optimized image component, making it available for use in other parts of our application.